Hi everyone, my name is Idris Lawali Abdu. I'm an MBA candidate doing my last semester currently at Clark University, a former intern at Amazon Web Services, AWS, as a senior product manager. I was also, prior to my MBA, a software engineer. I'm very excited to introduce to you my new educational YouTube channel. And I'm saying new because I also have another YouTube channel fully in French talking about education too. If you want to follow, it's KPB Education. On this channel, I will be sharing my personal experience and insights on various topics that are relevant for students and young professionals. My focus will be on internship, career development, student life, and the process to apply to universities as international student. Throughout my MBA program, internship, but also my career as software engineer, I gain valuable knowledge that I think can be beneficial for a student like you. I have learned the importance of networking, building a strong resume, and also cover letters, but more importantly, how to have a clear career plan. On this channel, you will find tips and strategies on how to make the most of your internship experience, how to stand out in a competitive job market, and how to navigate the process of applying to internships, jobs, and also to universities as a student. In addition to that, I will be sharing my personal experience and challenges that I have faced as a student, as an intern. My goal is to provide valuable information and inspiration that can help you achieve your career goals. This channel is for everyone. So if you are a student or a young professional looking to gain an edge in your career and benefit from insights from my personal experience, but also what I learned during my MBA program and internship at Amazon Web Services, here is the place. Just subscribe and follow me. I will be sharing information. I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also join me on this journey. Together we'll make a difference in your career and student life. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.